So you finally got your hands on the PlayStation 5. Now it's time to find out how to make your experience in the PlayStation ecosystem a lot better. Today we're going to be talking about the best accessories you could possibly get for your PlayStation 5. What is up, guys? I am LaserBull. Today we're going to be talking about what you need to have in your PlayStation arsenal and what can make your experience even better, whether you're coming from the PlayStation 4 or you recently just got a brand new PlayStation 5 and just want to make sure you get the best experience out of your console. So as you guys may already know, we've progressed throughout the years, guys. A lot of people just buy a console just to play games. Now people buy a console to play games and use it also as their media system. Today I'm going to be talking about one of the best accessories and one of the accessories that I feel that everybody needs, whether you use this as a media player or if you use this as a gaming console, is a USB hub. Now you're probably wondering, Laser, why do I need a USB hub? The reason you need a USB hub is because unfortunately the PlayStation only comes with a total of 3. That's including the one that's in front of your console. If you're like me and are very meticulous, you do not want to have a plug in front of your console because it just makes it aesthetically look unpleasing. It just makes it look fugly. You do not want to have that. You want to make sure it looks as clean as possible. And what this allows you to do is it allows you to plug the hub in the back of your console and give you more additional ports, so you can plug anything like a Bluetooth device if you're trying to plug your AirPods and make them work with your console. I have a video on that, so if you guys want to check that out. Also, one thing I want to mention, guys, everything that I'm going to be mentioning on this video is down below in the link, so you guys go ahead and purchase this and pick these up. Make sure you guys check those out. So yes, a USB hub is going to save your time, whether you want to plug in an extra controller, want to plug in a Bluetooth, want to plug in anything that you want to plug in there. It's just going to give you more USB hubs. The next thing I want to mention is something that's going to save you a lot of space within your console, and that of course is a hard drive. Now the reason why you want to have a hard drive here is because currently right now the PlayStation 5 is not able to kind of keep that much storage with PlayStation 4 games, and you want to make sure you have enough storage space to not only get the new PS5 games that are coming out, but also still play your PlayStation 4 games. This is why I want to recommend the Western Digital 4TB gaming hard drive. I believe this is by far one of the best ones because it comes with a really good fast write speed and a really good read speed. And it's going to be very important because unfortunately some of the hard drives currently out there do not support the PlayStation in the sense of how fast they read and write. So I'm going to actually leave two. I'm going to leave the 4TB one, which is the one I recommend. I think 4TB should be decent enough to carry the majority of your PlayStation 4 games. But if you guys feel you guys need even more space, more than 4TB, I'm also going to be linking you guys to another Western Digital one with 8TB, which is double the 4TB one. Should give you enough space to store all your PlayStation 4 games without needing to upgrade anything else. So make sure you guys check that out. Links are down below as well. Next thing I want to mention, guys, is the media remote. I know you guys are saying we don't need a media remote, but actually a lot of people have been using their consoles, especially the new gen consoles, to play Blu-rays or to play Netflix, to play Disney, to play any sort of other media content that's not gaming. And the media remote is actually very helpful because in case someone does not know how to use a controller, or you just don't want to be using a controller to navigate any of the other media that's available, you could get a simple remote which allows you to maneuver through the menu very easily, very frequently, and gives access to people who might not be used to the controller, or to just give you a better option to maneuver around the interface of the PlayStation 5, making stuff really easily accessible if you guys are using a lot of, switching back from playing and checking out Netflix. So really good to have a media remote, not only for you, but also for your loved one. Now, if you're trying to take your streaming game to the next level, you're definitely going to want to purchase the PlayStation 4 Camera. This is actually going to be very beneficial because whether you stream daily or you stream not too frequently, you want to have something that's going to let you stream with nice quality. The PlayStation 5 Camera makes a very good option because it allows you to go ahead and stream directly from your PlayStation 5 onto Twitch, YouTube, without needing any more additional accessories. Definitely, this is a really good accessory to have, and you never know when you might just want to go into streaming, so it's pretty good to pick up. Even if right now it's just meant for streaming, we never know what other stuff are going to be integrated, maybe Zoom or other kind of streaming services, that the PlayStation 5 Camera might become more viable. So definitely a really good accessory to pick up for the long run. Next, we want to complement the PlayStation 5, of course, with some really good pair of headsets. I'm actually going to be mentioning two. Of course, we have to mention the Pulse 3D, which is the PlayStation exclusive headset. Really good headset. It takes the full advantage of the PlayStation 5. Aesthetically, it looks very nice. Not only that, but it lets you go ahead and take advantage of the brand new audio system that the PlayStation 5 comes with. And overall, in general, it just looks very clean, white and black. It just matches your PlayStation perfectly. The other one I want to mention, of course, is the SteelSeries Arctic 7 wireless white headset. This one aesthetically looks amazing as well. Sound quality is pretty good, and this is going to allow you to work with multiple devices. So if you own multiple devices like an Xbox, you link up to your PC, or you link it up to having any other audio interface, this is actually going to be very good because you're going to be able to transition from the PlayStation 5 and use it on every single system. Really clean looking one, and I highly recommend you guys definitely check it out. It's really dope and pairs perfectly with the PlayStation 5. The next one I want to recommend, guys, is the DualSense charging station. This is extremely important because if you have multiple controllers, you're going to want to make sure they're optimally charged and ready to go when you're ready to game. If you have a buddy coming over, you want to make sure you have that additional controller so they can pick it up as well and help you pass any sort of level, whether you're playing Outriders, Destiny, you're playing some Warzone, or you're playing some Apex Legends or Fortnite. You want to make sure your controllers are always charged and up to the max potential, because you don't want to be running out of juice when you're in those high intense battles. So having a DualSense charging station is going to be key to having your controller fully charged every single time. Now, these are the best accessories currently right now, but as we progress throughout the year, I'm pretty sure we're going to be getting more accessories. So I will be updating this video constantly. Expect maybe a 2 to 3 month interval from the accessories we currently have right now to be updated when new stuff comes out. So if you guys do not want to miss the best PlayStation 5 accessories from now and moving forward, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel and turn on those notifications. I do have a question for you guys. If there's an accessory I didn't mention that you guys feel should have made the list, let me know in the comment section down below. Want to suggest that you definitely check out the rest of the videos that are popping up on your screen. Very helpful, very informative, so you guys can know exactly what additional stuff you could do with your PlayStation 5. I hope you guys did enjoy this video, and this has been Laser from TechNeedz, helping you decide what you need in this world of tech. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you.